So the haul just arrived at my door.
Yo, stuff went flying. Oh my god, the box. Someone call out my essentials. Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to our video. Today we have this haul right in front of me. I'm gonna be unboxing it and showing you what I got. This haul is around 10 kg and I just got some chill items in it, you know, just some chill stuff. But yeah, these are my recent Pandabuy pickups. But while I'm unboxing it, I'm gonna tell you guys all about it. So this haul was shipped with GDEMS and took just 8 days to deliver. The initial shipping price was around $180, but after I used my coupons, it came to about $120. My Pandabuy experience was amazing. But before we head into the review, all the items in this video will be linked down below in my spreadsheet. So if you want to cop anything from this video, it's going to be in the description. Also, if you're new to Pandabuy, you can get all these free coupons if you click the first link in my description when signing up. One more thing, I just want to say we hit 1K subscribers. Yeah, I was live when it happened. Here's the clip. Yo, we're at 1K. We're at 1K. We're at 1K. I know it's only 1K, but thank you guys so much. And now on to the video. Okay, I have opened the box. Right on the top, you can see there's some, loose bubble wrap. Let me give you some ASMR real quick. I'm just gonna dump everything out this box just because, it's kind of a lot. Yo, stuff went flying. Yo, phew. Okay, I've got everything here. I think I have like 8 to 7 items in this haul. I'm just gonna place them all in that corner and just go by the looks. I'm not even too sure what's in this haul. As I open it, it'll be a surprise to you and me. We'll go back in. Well, this is clearly a pair of shoes. I've just ordered so much, I just don't know which. So I'm just such a Pandabuy demon, you know. I just got emotion like that on Pandabuy. So ooh, this box is definitely damaged. This box looks damaged. I'm pretty sure it's already damaged in the warehouse, so I just shipped it. Ooh, it's damaged. Okay, you can see the box. Some might already know. Oh my god, the box. It might be oh nah. It might be fixable. Might. It can't open up. I'm gonna put it in a raw. Oh god. Y'all peep the YouTube in the back. Ooh, these look nice. Yo, these actually feel really good. The box being damaged will throw you off because these look fire. I actually have like a 1-to-1 pair of these. They cost like $200. Don't ask me why I bought them. I kind of got scammed, but they look just like these. I think these are even glow in the dark back here. Yo, this is actually fire. So it has that black swish. I think it's like a suede. But you got nice stitch. Look at that stitching. It's beautiful. And then you got a pink swish. I love the details on the shoe. By the way, this is the Travis Scott SB Nike Dunk Low. I kind of like their redesigned laces, but you have to keep the rope laces if you wear these. I'm not joking. I bought shoe trees to go with it, so it came in this nice shape. Yeah, but these are the these are the Nike SB Dunk Low Travis Scott something. These were like $40, I think. They're in my spreadsheet, by the way. By the way, everything you see in this video is going to be down below in that spreadsheet. Also, if you want some coupons while signing up, here's these coupons. I think I already said it in the video, but go click that first link, and then the second link below will be my spreadsheet with all this stuff in it. Anyways, on to the next item of the haul. Okay, as you can see here, I got this Broken Planet. Open it real quick. Here's the bag. Okay, this is just a nice calm little black shirt. Actually, the quality feels really good on this. Usually, like, I'd be glazing Broken Planet, but like recently, it's just not been hitting. I think I need to size up on Broken Planet hoodies. This actually feels good. Like I don't know what material this is. It's probably just cotton, but it's like stretchy. Look, it's nice and stretchy. This is pretty oversized too. But yeah, just a basic black Broken Planet. You can never go wrong with just like the basic logos. It's fire. On to the next item, of course. By the way, I think that Broken Planet was like $10 for that shirt. So, okay, on to this item. But why did they bubble wrap this? This is not needed to bubble wrap. Okay, this is for you and just ain't been hitting for me recently. So I had to cop one of these, and of course I had to get it from Pandabuy. This is like those face roller things. I actually don't know how to use these. I just it's a trendy thing. You do it on your face though. It's actually like metal. Hold on. I think you get the same ones from Temu, but I checked and this is like way cheaper and it's way better quality. Like these are metal. Oh, they're metal. Yeah, I would not get these out of Temu. Basically, like you just like use it to form your face. You know, look smacks in like a Sigma. Yo, they're like ceramic glass. That's actually cool. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna look like in a few days after using this. So stay tuned. I'll post the next update in the next video. But yeah, mewing just ain't been hitting for me. You know, I've been edging in class and mewing while Castanat tries to rizz me up in Ohio. But then Phantom Tax low key just like I think that was like $1. So, ooh, guys, you know what I just realized? Okay, look, I have 890. No, 869 subscribers. I mean, 35K, and I have 800 something followers, and I had like. On to the next item, we have this Essentials hoodie. Oh, here's a bag. Got the gold Essentials Fear of God. I don't know what Fear of God means. Someone should tell me. Okay, I know this is like my third one, but yeah, this is like my third black version. I have the beige version and the brown version, but they're just so comfy and they're just so like calm just to wear on like a cold winter day with just like an essential. Like these are essential. I know it says essentials, but this is essential. This is essential for anyone that buys from Pandabuy. These are like $30. You need to go get you a pair. Not a pair, a hoodie. They just feel so good. Like they fit you so good. Oh, it feels actually. Look at that. Look at that. It actually feels really nice. But yeah, the numbers aren't falling off, as you can see. They are pretty well. On the hood, Essentials stitched on. I've actually ordered one of these before. From like $8 for like $8 from a random seller. And I got called out, bruh. Someone called out my essentials. Like, who do you think you are calling out essentials? Like. That was like 30 something dollars from Jason Rex. I've never heard of them. So now I'm on my next item. I think these are just sweatpants. I don't think they are the TikTok shop ones. They basically are though. These are just black sweatpants. Please have deep pockets, please. Okay, no, it's not bad. It's not bad. But I have pants just like this, but they're from TikTok shop. These feel way better. I'm not gonna lie. The TikTok shop ones are like that thin. You need to wear something under it if you ever wear it because they are see-through. And yeah, these are actually real. These actually feel really nice. I'm not gonna lie. I have 2 pairs of these in the haul. And the bottoms are not cuffed or whatever. They're like they're not flare, but they're open legged. So like they fit over nice with like Jordan 4s, Jordan 1. They fit over nice shoes. And these were like $8, so it's not bad. If you want some good blank, I think this is another pair of them. So I'm gonna open this. Ooh, okay, I got a gray flavor. These are fire. Ooh, I never saw this in the other one. What does it say? Yeah, I'm not reading all that. Oh, it's just the brand. Oh, it's actually like a brand. Let's see. R-Tie Master. I feel like I've heard of that name before. I don't know why. But let's check the pockets because you need to have deep pockets. Yeah, that's fire. Yeah, these are good sweatpants. Like these are really thick. Look at these. These are thick, and they have the stretchy waistband. Yeah, these are fire. Look how thick they are. Oh my god. It's gonna be cozy. I'm gonna get this out the way. And then my last 2 items are my favorite in this haul. One of these is my favorite haul item ever. I've been waiting for it for so long. Like I said, like a year ago. I had it in my cart ever since. I just had it. I've been broke enough. I've been so broke I cannot afford it. And I finally made that purchase. Okay, this is like a off-brand Lego. There's bubble wrap everywhere. I mean, they did their job. No one is getting into this. Because if you ever don't want to get seized, wait, why is the box kind of cool? You see that? It's like rainbow luminescent. But yeah, this is the off-brand Lego. I've got one of these before, but it was like tiny little bricks and there was no instructions. So I really hope this has instructions. I saw someone else buy this. Basically, I only got one of these, so I got the ramen one. But you can get hot spring, kimong, and matcha tea. I like the ramen one the best, and this one, but I only got the ramen one. You know, I'm just guinea pigging it right now. Box is really nice, like it is. I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging, so I'm gonna open it right now. Okay, here we have it. I just want to look at the instructions because like they either have no instructions or the instructions is like build half of it and then build the other half. Oh yeah. It's the whole instruction. That's fire. That's actually gonna be fire. Mini bricks are so hard to build, so it's gonna be like a challenge. So I actually did the Lego. Here it is. It's actually fire. Like, oh my! I say that every sentence, but like, you can like look inside of it. There's like kind of cool. You know, you get like the windows. There's like machines in there and a tucked in seat. Like this is actually very in detail and in depth. Like here's the ramen, moves, turns, or spins. This is better than I expected for like $3. Like it's kind of cool, you know. And look, that person has no arms. He's like handicapped. Which is worse, a Disney adult or a Lego adult? What's crazy is a Disney Lego adult. Enough blabbering. I'm on to the last two items. These are my most hyped items. Like I'm so excited for one of these. Both of them are exciting. You know, I'm excited for both of them. But I'm gonna open this one first. Nah, I'm gonna open this one first because this one is not really in the category of anything I've ever bought, so I'm gonna save it for last. Ooh, you can see what it is. The North Face, Berkeley, Calif, USA. Yo, this bag, I actually like I spent a lot of money on this. Not a lot, it's like $60, but that's way more I've ever spent on an item. The thing is, I ordered this so long ago, and I just didn't ship it out. I don't know why. And then I got caught up in the Lunar New Year, but it finally came. It's almost the end of winter, so you know I kind of got it in a bad time. Hoo-hoo. I really hope it fits me. I hope it's not too big. This is the North Face X Kaws puffer jacket. Ooh, it's like a nupsy, whatever that is. Yo, this is fire. Yo, this is fire. Okay, so I got the XX for Kaws, and then the North Face on the back, the same thing. Really cool design all over, and then you know it's a puffer. You know, just a puffer. On the inside, see that unzip. First unzip. Hoo-hoo. Got the same thing basically on the inside. North Face XX Kaws. I guess I got an XL, I don't know. Yeah, I already know this is about to be so fire. I made sure to get one that had good reviews. Sadly, it is like halfway through February. It's Valentine's Day as the day of recording this, so it's not much of winter left, but it don't matter. Okay, we got like a little coin slot in here. I'm just looking at indoor pockets before I try this thing. Oh, I really hope it fits me, otherwise I have to like shrink it. So this is what it looks like on me. I got a whole chest mount for the camera. Yo, this zipper is not working. Hello? Hello? Oh, there. Okay. Fuck you guys in. So unfortunately, while I was zipping it up, I unplugged my microphone, so I'm going to have to voice over this whole entire rest of the video, but it's okay, it's okay. But anyways, the jacket is really nice quality, and it fits really good and warm. I still wear it like every single day because it's still cold here in Minnesota, so I definitely get my money's worth. Join the goon sesh, 'cause I'm all gooned out. So here for this last item, we have this human-made duck rug. This is like something I've never ordered before. Like I've never gotten a rug, but it feels so good. It's like this fluffy rug material. I don't know. It's a rug. What? I really don't know what it means, like what the duck is. I just like the duck though. Like I don't know what human made is really, so. But I definitely do like the duck design. This is where I decided to put the rug right in front of my shoe collection. You already know. And yes, I'm putting a rug on carpet. If you have a problem, let me know. And this is me on the rug. Yup, that is me standing on top of the duck rug. Yup, that's me. Yup. I think it's definitely one of the best items I've gotten Pandabuy. Like, just look at it. It's a duck rug. Like, that concludes this 10 kg chill Pandabuy haul. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, drop a like on this video and might as well subscribe. I mean, you're already down there. If you haven't already subscribed, might as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.